Stuck in a debt trap? Feel like there's no way out? We studied thousands of real-life success stories, people who paid off massive debts and took back control. Then we reverse-engineered the exact steps they used and built a simple, 3-step system anyone can follow. And to guide you through it, we've created a free, smart debt tracker designed to keep you on track. The link is in the description. We use a simple yet powerful 3-step system to help you escape the debt trap and build lasting financial freedom. Acknowledging the first step toward a debt-free tomorrow. Planning. Strategize your way out. Action. Start the climb to freedom. Let's deep dive into Step 1. Step 1. Acknowledging the first step toward a debt-free tomorrow. Before we can fix anything, we must face it. Acknowledging your debt is the foundation of financial recovery. Start by listing all your debts, no matter how big or small. This step is about clarity, not shame. To make this easier, we've created a debt tracker spreadsheet where you'll record the following details for each debt. Debt provider. Identify the source, whether it's an individual, a bank, a credit card company, or any other lender. Total debt amount. Write down how much money you originally borrowed. Amount paid so far. Track how much you've already paid back. Remaining balance. Note the amount still left to repay to close this debt. Interest rate. Include the interest rate at which you borrow the money. This will help to identify which debts are making you bleed more. Reason for the debt. Reflect on why you took the loan. Was it for an emergency, a purchase, or lifestyle spending? Personal review/reflection. Think deeply. Was this debt tied to a need or a want? Be honest with yourself. This reflection will help you understand the underlying patterns in your debt behavior. This isn't just data, it's insight. Once everything is laid out, you'll start noticing trends. Are you trapped in high-interest loans? Are impulsive spending habits dragging you down? Understanding your debt story is the first step toward rewriting it. If this content is helping you, consider subscribing. Your support allows us to reach more people and change more lives, one step at a time. Step 2. Planning. Strategize your way out. Once we've acknowledged our current debt situation, the next step is to build a clear, practical plan to break it down. We'll be using a hybrid approach, combining the strengths of 2 powerful strategies. 1. The Snowball method. This method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate. It gives you quick wins, which build motivation and momentum. Perfect for those who need psychological boosts to stay on track. 2. The Avalanche method. This strategy targets the highest interest debt first. It saves you more money over time by minimizing interest payments. Ideal for those focused on long-term savings and efficiency. Each method has its own strengths, but instead of choosing one, we're going to integrate both to form a simple and actionable plan. Now, let's go back to our debt tracker spreadsheet. We've added 2 new columns to make your plan more actionable. 1 term. This column helps you understand how quickly each debt can realistically be paid off based on your income. Short term. You can pay it off within a week to a month. Mid-term. Takes 1 to 12 months to repay. Long term. Will take over a year. This helps you visualize the time commitment for each debt. 2. Priority. Once you've categorized your debts into short-term, mid-term, and long-term, the next step is to prioritize them within each group. We start by focusing on short-term debts first, because paying them off quickly builds early momentum and reduces mental stress. If you have multiple short-term debts, we apply the avalanche method. Start with the one that has the highest interest rate, then move to the next highest, and so on. This saves you money on interest while helping you stay focused with visible progress. To summarize, a hybrid payoff strategy. First, group your debts by term, short, mid, long. Using a snowball-style mindset, aim for early wins by tackling manageable chunks. Then, within each group, prioritize based on interest rate using the avalanche method. This keeps your payoff plan financially smart. In short, tackle high-interest debts in the short-term group first. This hybrid method keeps you emotionally encouraged and financially efficient at the same time. Step 3. Action. Start the climb to freedom. Before diving into repayment mode, let's lay the foundation with a few powerful, immediate actions. These will help you stay focused, avoid setbacks, and build momentum. Build your emergency fund. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects you from unexpected expenses that might push you back into debt. Start budgeting. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll keep repeating the debt cycle. A budget gives you control. We've made separate videos on both these essentials, emergency fund and budgeting, to help you build a strong financial base. Check the links in the description and watch them after this video. They're short, practical, and packed with value. We've added a few more smart features to your debt tracker to help you stay on top of everything. Minimum monthly payment. The least amount you must pay to avoid penalties or interest rollovers. Always aim to stay above this to protect your credit and stay on track. Planned debt payment. This is where you enter how much you'll pay toward each debt this month. Some debts might get minimum payments, others more, depending on your priority strategy. My goal: set a clear, long-term financial target to keep yourself motivated and consistent. For example, I want to be completely debt-free in 2 years and build an investment portfolio worth $2,000. Having a concrete goal gives your plan purpose and direction, and seeing your progress week after week can be incredibly energizing. Don't treat these numbers in isolation. Plug them into your monthly budget. Review monthly. At the end of each month, take 10 minutes to review your progress. See what's working. Adjust your plan if needed. Debt freedom isn't about being perfect. It's about staying consistent. You're not alone. We're in this with you. We believe in growing together, one smart step at a time. Thanks for watching. Stay focused. Stay consistent. You've got this.